binding to commit on all the deals. So whenever any deal comes through, we will notify you. And if you're interested, then you can co-invest in that particular opportunity. Um, all of the opportunities will be vetted by us before it comes to you. And on top of it, um, these investments will be managed by us longer term. There is no question of you having to um, struggle with those unlisted investments on your own. So that's on the investor club itself. But first of all, what I wanted to talk about is that the Helix Transition Capital Partners, the hedge fund that we run, is likely to become institutional within the next 1 month or so. So what this means for individuals is that the the entry point could be 1 million plus, right? So this means that our current subscriptions of 100K, etc., we can only do that for the next 1 month or so. Of course, when there is a new fund that we are launching, we will come back to you again as individuals, and we can take another one. But a new fund is not planned as of now. So that's number one update that I wanted to talk about. Number two update is we formalize the investor club. We meet regularly, either online or in person in London, as the case might be. And we now have a pretty good, steady deal flow that's coming through uh, for you to look at and to invest into. These co-investment opportunities are all aligned to ecoeconomics, uh, the capitalistic side of sustainability. So all of the opportunities that we bring to the table have been vetted by us. We perform the due diligence before it is presented to you. I want to talk about three opportunities that are there for our investor club currently. Number one, this is a US firm which has worked out a mechanism to cap the emissions from abandoned gas wells. So the gas well has been abandoned for several years. Gas is leaking out of that. The only way in which that gas can be safely disposed of is by flaring. So what this company does is cap that, take that gas into a trailer, convert that into energy, use that energy to mine Bitcoin. You might ask, why mine Bitcoin? Why don't they just sell the energy? There are other options to do that as well, but this company has identified a mechanism through which they can mine Bitcoin and they can sell it without the need to be online 24 hours a day, etc., etc. It's pretty much an asynchronous kind of an activity. So they can be in a remote location and they can connect and they can um, send in those Bitcoins. So that deal is 25 million. It is debt, and we are looking for investors to take up. Part of it has already been subscribed, um, and I'll be looking for other investors to um, express interest in this particular deal. The company behind this one is founded by the same group that was behind Block